friend! Guess what? After our epic sound quest journey, Mia thought we deserved a little vacation. She's sending us to one of her favorite places, Sound Town. Have you ever been? When we're in Sound Town, we'll get to meet all of the different sounds that make up words. We've already been using these sounds a lot with our counters. For example, the word bag has 3 sounds: b, a, g. We can change the middle sound in bag to I and get b, I, g. Big! When we go to Sound Town, we won't just listen to the sounds, we'll be able to see them too. That's right, every sound we hear in a word has its own special symbol. You might recognize these symbols as the letters from the alphabet. When you sing the alphabet song, you're actually saying the names of these symbols. But while we're in Sound Town, we'll focus on the sounds that these symbols represent, not their names. So instead of saying, this is the letter M, we'll say, this is the sound M. Understanding the sound each symbol represents brings us one step closer to reading words. I've packed everything we'll need for our trip. We'll take the train to Sound Town, and Mia's friend, will meet us at the train station. I can't wait for you to meet her. Before we go, make sure to check out the brand new PDF for some fun sound activities. Since we're on vacation, there won't be a specific activity for every lesson. Instead, you can ask a grown-up to help you choose an activity for whatever sound you're learning. I'll see you next time, friend. And remember to always be clever.
Hey!